friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, I always bring you new websites so you can get a lot of profits. I'm back with another brand new website so you can get a lot of profits. First of all, you have to put your email, your password, your invitation code, sign it up. You can also log in if you already have an account. So I'm gonna log in because I already have an account information. Save, click on sign in button. It will be loading like that, my dear friend. You can see there is someone has a robust and stable system, the world's best investment platform, and you will get all information. You can read it out. So, my dear friend, now we will go to the main page. There's a recharge button, and I will tell you how can you recharge. You have to go to the recharge button, and here you can see that they're providing a two method. You can scan the QR code, and you can also go with the address. After copying the address, go to the trust wallet and complete payment. After complete payment, click on recharge complete button. Your recharge will be completed within a few minutes. So after the recharge is completed, so now we go to the VIP area and you can see VIP 1 is unlocked now. So now we go to the task area. Here you can see there are two tasks here. So click on in progress button and here you can see that click on to be complete. Once you click on to be complete, it will be loading like that and completed successfully. So there's a one task left. Click on complete button and completed successfully. Now we go and complete it and you can see the task are completed now. So now we go to the home page again and I will tell you how can you withdraw. All you have to do is go to withdraw page and go after going the withdraw page. Here you can see that you have to put the code here you want to withdraw. They put the address you want to receive your amount where and your password here and click on confirm page. Once you click here, you can see withdraw successful. So I will show you the withdraw proof as soon as I receive that. My dear friend, here you can see the withdraw proof is here. So I have also showed you the withdraw proof. Now we go back to the home page again. So after the video proof, we will come back to the home page. On the home page, you can see what else they are providing you. They are providing you JP Morgan and the Deutsche Bank and the Leo Park. And no matter where you are from, welcome you to communicate and share your ideas. We look forward to establish a win-win cooperation company profile in which Blink Charging is a leader in electric vehicle charging equipment with more than 30,000 charging stations and deployed in 13 countries. Many of these are connected electric vehicle charging station, allowing EV driver to easily. You can see they are also providing YouTube video, and you can see there people are getting profit. You can also get profit. Now we go to the VIP area, in which you can see people are getting. There are a lot of VIP level. You can unlock them all if you want to. Now we go to the task hall. In the task hall, you can see the task are completed. I have already showed you. Now we go to the team area. In the team area, you can see they are providing an invitation code and invitation link. You have to invite a friend, and you will get 10%, 3%, 1% commission. Now we go to the me area, my dear friend. Here you can see now we go to the VIP area, in which you can see in VIP 1 your daily profit will be $2 and your daily task will be $2. In VIP 2 it will be $10 daily profit. VIP 3 it will be $30 and VIP 4 it will be $6. So you can see the all detail if you want to. Like in VIP 5 you will get $100, in VIP 6 you will get $300, in VIP 7 you will get $600, in VIP 8 you will get $1,700, in VIP 9 you will get $3,600, in VIP 10 you will get $9,000, in VIP 11 you will get $15,000, in VIP 12 you will get $30,000. Now we talk about the yearly, like for in whole year you will get $12 in VIP 1. In VIP 2 you will get $60. In VIP 3 you will get $180. In VIP 4 you will get $360. In VIP 5 you will get $600. In VIP 5 you will get $600. In VIP 6 you will get so, so you can see all detail. Like in VIP 6 your profit will be $1,800. In VIP 7 it will be $6. इन VIP 8 it will be $85. मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, जो भी मिलेगा तुम्ही को मिलेगा. मेरे को बस वीडियो 5 मिनट की बनानी है, इसलिए बक बक कर रही हूँ. तो ये देख सकते हो यहाँ पे ये जीमेल है, ये ग्रेड है, ये आईडी है, ऑनलाइन कस्टमर सर्विस है जो किसी खाते की. तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो रिवार्ड करोगे, अगर इनवाइट करोगे फ्रेंड को तो आपको रिवार्ड मिलेगा, देख सकते हो. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप देख सकते हो, जो यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हो. ऑनलाइन कस्टमर सर्विस है, नोटिफिकेशन बॉक्स है, यहाँ पे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएंगे विड्रॉ सक्सेसफुल के. ये टेलीग्राम कस्टमर सर्विस है, ये लैंग्वेज चेंजर है. तो ये फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड है, जहाँ पे आपको फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड मिल जाएंगे. ऐप डाउनलोड, लिंक एंड साइन आउट. So I've cleared every single in this video, but if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. Please like my video, subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon. Please मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, चैनल को लास्ट में सब्सक्राइब करो. ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी है, इस पर कमेंट करो, लाइक करो, लेकिन इन्वेस्ट ना करो, क्योंकि अगर तुम इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो किसी भी किस्म की लॉस की